the screen. Pre-market runners turning red into green. VWAP check, yeah, I'm watching that line. ESNQ moving, gotta read it in time. Support resistance, where they fake, where they break. Volume spike, heavy, yeah, I'm in for the take. No FOMO trade, stick to plan, stay slim. Cut it quick if it flips, that's sink or swim. Sink or swim when the bell goes off. No emotion in the trade, cut it, no loss. Ride the wave, don't fall, don't bend. One shot in the market, sink or swim, yeah. From the open to the close we win.
And morning, gangsters. Happy Thursday, 9/29. We're an entire 40. Oh my God, I can't even do the math fast enough now. 42 seconds early for you guys. 42 seconds early for you. Nice. We did it. Straw hat for the day. Feather in the cap, whatever the hell you want to say. My God. Today is unfortunately going to be a quick one. I do have a little bit of Oak and Ember stuff today. We are, we're going to check out a $2.8 million house today. And they have a whole bunch of stuff that they want done on it. So they're actually my neighbors too, which is kind of cool. They live on the same exact lake as me, which frustratingly enough, I have to drive around, the lake to get there. So it's a 25-minute drive. I could get there by boat in 3 minutes. I emailed them. I was like, man, I'm just about to boat over. 9:29, here it goes. Market is open. We've been kind of in this wedge. Not wedge, but I should say channel. We've been in this channel. We're bumping our head against the top of the channel literally right now. So if we reject this, I gotta presume we're coming back all the way down to the 300s almost. NVIDIA gap down just slightly, so they have a gap to fill to the upside. That could give us a little bit of steam up. Same thing with Qs. SpaceX down to 135. I know we don't really care about that as much, but I kind of care about it. We're up to the 530s now already. We have our VWAP all the way up here at 590s though. Came all the way up to the 100 EMA. 200 EMA, just a little bit higher up at the 600s. My God. Beautiful candles so far. Support off the 9 again, 476. NVIDIA's trying to push green. The 21 on the 5-minute is down here at 445. So that's still giving us support as well. Yeah, I gotta imagine we're gonna push to the 6s. If we keep pushing, we're gonna want to push to the 6s, I think. See, it wants to settle down just a little bit. Here's our brand new candle. Let's see if we get a push down and then push back up through. We're gonna try one there, probably targeting, again, probably the 580s. I think 600s should be in play. So let's see if we can get the 580s at the very least. 603 again is the 5-minute 200 EMA. $932. Not a great rejection. But again, NVIDIA's turning nice and green. 443 again is the 21 EMA. That's kind of an ugly 5-minute candle wick though right now, admittedly. Down here the 480s now. Let's see if we can catch a little support on the 200. Not even saying the right damn thing. Hey Marco! M Star, let's see. What are we saying? Take me as a guest. How do you make it? By scaling accounts? Yeah. I mean, listen, the art of the DCA, right? The art of the DCA is a beautiful thing. So generally speaking, man, I trade really slow now and really small now, admittedly. And good morning, Marco. So I try to not do more than 3 micros, if I'm being honest. And I'll sometimes give it a bigger range like this as well, you know? Like if this honestly isn't really a great example because I usually like to base it off trend lines and stuff like that. And in all honesty, we just bumped our head against this trend line. I was kind of hoping we'd push through the 100 and come all the way up to the 200 EMA, to the 600s, and just push on momentum. So if we break through the 21, like the 442s, I might add one at 442. And if we kind of break through the 420s, we'll probably get out of it fully, and then wait to get long again until we get all the way down to like the 300s. Then same thing, it'll be 1, 2, or 3 micros, but then hopefully we're riding those all the way up to the 600s, you know? But yeah, look at that. That's an ugly 5-minute candle, man. That's a real ugly 5-minute candle. So this would be kind of my last add-in right here, would be the 440s. And then maybe I'd add a third one if we pop the 500s again, just if it starts really going in our direction. But at the moment, she's not looking great. We got 5 seconds left of this 5-minute candle, so let's see. Hey, good news. Good morning, Miguel. How we all doing today? Good to see everybody. Damn it, man. Look at this. A fucking sinker. A beautiful sinker. No way. Support maybe at 396s. I don't know. We got to get out of it. Just a bad trade. 9:35. How many seconds do we have left in this candle? 30 seconds left. She just sinking, man. She just wanting to sink. Good news is saying get out. She's sinking. I'm kind of feeling the same way, but Marco's doing the art of the DCA. He's doing the art of the DCA. The only other hopeful support point would be here at the 370s, but again, that's holding it for way too long now. Yeah, bad trade, bad trade. Just gives you that second of hope, though, doesn't it? Yeah, Bubba.
What movie show you
I don't know. We don't have to watch the scary one Momo was talking about. So. How much seconds do we have left? 30 seconds left. Let's see if she can't turn green for us. Turn green, get a little bit more oomph in the upward direction. Basically, if it breaks 400, we got to get out. But if this can stack green or close green, come on. 4 seconds left. And then if we can get another green candle, there we go, that starts pushing. That'll make us all feel a little bit better. Nvidia is not looking great, though, admittedly. Oh, I might even drop a stop here just to lessen the loss. Should we do that yet? I guess we will. Hold on, baby. Let me concentrate, please. Nice push up. Now we just really needed to not break those 400s again. Let's see. Nice. Marco's out with 85 in profit. He did the art of the DCA nicely. Yes, babies. Okay. Roars, I only have a quick half hour today, though, so I really got to concentrate the whole time, please. Can I concentrate on my work here, and you can go watch the TV for a sec? Or Mama's inside, too, if you want to play with her. She might want to draw with you or do something fun. Ah, shit. That's disappointing. I should have gotten out of both of them at the same time. We're down probably about 200. Yeah, 177. All right, we do have a tiny little trend line here, the 370s. So that might be a potential. Oh, shoot, my partner's already here. Fuck. I don't want to walk away with a $200 loss, gang. 938. You can come in here for a sec.
But we float together.
We did break the 400s. Nvidia's still falling down.
New York open every day. Pull up.
939. Yeah, Marco, we have a, we're bidding on, there's like a $2.8 million house that actually lives here on the same exact lake as me that wants to, they're closing in like 2 or 3 weeks on it. So they have a whole bunch of stuff they want to, which is insane too. It's a $2.8 million house. It's this gorgeous model home. And they have all the stuff they want to change and do to it already. I don't know why I entered that short right now. Because I was kind of talking about we might get support of this tiny little trend line right here. And here I am thinking like, yeah, fuck it. Let's try. I shouldn't have done that one though. Let's see if we can just tap it. Tap it. At least get a price target out of today. There we go. Oh, come on. It whipped it. Fucker. I'll probably just hang out for another like 20 minutes or something. We'll see if we make some sticking money today. Right now, unfortunately, I'm down 200 bucks. My first trade of the day was a shit one. It is a nice day out, though. It is a nice day out. Marco goes, we have someone in our neighborhood who just bought a house. It was a nice house, and all they've been doing is a bunch of work on the house. Ooh, good news is saying go short here. He's saying go short and go heavy. Go short and go heavy. Oh, let's see, man. We'll try one. We'll try one because of your conviction, man. I don't know if I'm trying to go heavy right now, though. We got to break the 353s, obviously. Oh, now it's too late. Now he says too late. Just wait. They redid the landscaping, put new windows in, put a new kitchen in, they're rocking and rolling with it. Yeah, man, I'm just kind of I'm flying off the cuff right now, man. I gotta slow down for a sec, calm down for a sec, and see if we can't make some good decisions here. We got 15 seconds left. We're still pushing down, though. We'll sneak a stop in just because that was a silly FOMO ad. Look at that, guys. Good news says go heavy. We didn't listen. Shoot, we didn't listen. Perfect. Perfect trade, bud. Perfect trade. I have a delay in the stream right now. Why spend 500K on a new house, then put another 100K into it? Yeah, that's kind of a big one. And that'll be interesting about today, too, because these guys are putting, I mean, again, it's like a $2.8 million house. So what does that renovation bill look like? You'd think it'd be kind of like at least 100,000, but I have no freaking idea. Watch, they're actually followers of mine. That's why they're doing it. That's why they reached out. They saw my Okanumber shirt on stream and they're like, oh shit, this is the guy. They're trying to get trading advice today, actually. It's all a Fugazi. Yeah, do you have your notebook on you and stuff? Do you want to start like, alright. No, that's alright. We can start doing both at the same time too. Start like writing all the shit in. All right, so down to the 333s. We're almost to the bottom of that little consolidation channel that we've been in. That would bring us probably down to the 300s, though. We do have a 1 hour pivot point down here at 264. Or Wednesday's low, 302. What was Monday's low again? Is this Monday? No. So Monday's low, 302. Yeah. Which we're basically there, man. We're so stinking close. We went down to 330, so we almost took it out. Just take all their Mario coins, says Marco. I know, right? We know how to spend it better. It'll be better in our pockets. 295, 295, 295. So potential long opportunity at 295. Obviously, it's a little bit scary to go long when we're just long darting here. Do you have that email they sent to? Do you have access to that?
The screenshot you sent me, I got that.
Oh, okay. Did that have all the... Like that had the list of everything they were looking for? Okay, cool. Because, yeah, I figured we'll just put that in, like, your notebook or something and put, like, notes for each section. Yeah. Obviously, we can do, like...
I might have a spreadsheet actually.
Yeah, this has a poll or something like that. Nice. Which it looks like a lot of the house is actually still in work.
Yeah.
So there won't be hopefully there won't be a lot of
Hey, what's up, bud?
Go long for a bounce. For a tiny bounce, says good news. Shoot, man. Yeah, I'm kind of losing track of... Hold on. Yeah, I mean, this is Monday. This is Monday's close right here. You'd have to imagine maybe a little bounce. Let's try a little guy. Let's try one for the bounce. The only thing that stinks, though, falling knife. If we lose this support, we're gonna go down to the hundreds. I think really quick. We'll go down to the 100s really quick. Good reaction so far. 30 seconds in. We want it to keep pushing though. Maybe. Come on. 5 seconds left in this candle. Come on, baby. Come on. Let's get that push up right now. Let's get that nice push up right now. Hopefully like the 370s. But we really need it to stay green. Come on, let's get that push. Let's get that stinking push. Come on. 47, 30 seconds. Come on. Still 20 seconds left on it. Yeah, I probably got to drop a stop in here. I mean, we keep getting 30 points on it almost. Brand new candle coming right now. Let's see if this one can push. Though it looks like it's trying to lose it a little bit. Let's see. Yeah, we got to drop the stop in. Alright, well, we made a little bit back. Only down 123 on the day now. Down to the 280s now. Still pushing down. ES is still just lawn darting. Q's is lawn darting. We have a pivot point on the 1 hour. Oh shit. There we go. Yeah, good news. It either bounces here or 29,000's next stop. That's what I was kind of thinking too. We have a 1 hour pivot point right now. So the 1 hour pivot point was at 262. We're at 266 right now. 265. Let's see how she reacts. But yeah, we broke out of our channel now too on the 5 minute. $264. Oh, that's how you sharpen it? That's pretty good. $264. Yeah, good news. If I'd gone heavy earlier, you'd be in money. Yeah, you're right, man. You're right. And that's always honestly my kind of one of my Achilles heels when I get to the halfway point, right? So like this account, 51,458. We're at the halfway point, so I'm kind of like, ooh. Beautiful push from the 260s up to the 300s now. ES is ripping back up beautifully. Let's see if we get another green candle push. This is our 5 minute candle right now. 15 seconds still on it. Market is weak anyways and would reject at the 200 EMA. Says good news. Well, if we're going to get a little push up, man, I'm going to try to target like that. I mean, same thing, 397s, 400s again, right? If this can close green, that would be a nice sign. And then if we can get our third green stack in, we can hopefully at least come back up here to the 50. But I really might be just trying to go long on a short day. Pushing for the last 10 seconds, that's usually a good sign. You know it's dumb, it's going to be a 25-minute drive to get over there.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, versus like literally if we boated, like 5 minutes, you know? I mean, we'd have to go slow through the canal, but... How funny would that be? We have like a 20-foot ladder in the boat and everything. It's just fucking... Come on, let's get that big push. We're going to keep our stops a little bit tighter since we're in drawdown at the moment, but... I definitely... Oh my god, and we just keep... My trade evade keeps freezing. Beautiful push up to the 21. Nice. Alright, chewing it back, down 80 on the day. It ain't doing shit, says good news. POC is 29,314. So how do you play? I really don't play point of control. How do you play point of control? So if it's above, it's kind of like VWAP almost. If it's above POC, then looking for longs. If it's below, looking for shorts. Or how do you usually play it? Little rejection from the 21 here. No, it's the volume profile for New York session. And then how do you use it then? When most volume of trades were done is at 314. Yes, you're kind of right. Yeah, I get what you're saying. I get what you're saying too. Especially if you get a big pop above, obviously point of control, then that's where liquidity is back down there. So if it starts getting weak, then it'd go back to the 314s to gain support again. If we are above, yeah, always comes down to support. Look at that. Look at that good news. Same brain. Another session low. Those are some ugly wicks on the 5-minute candles for everybody. Oh yeah. Shoot, man. Easy stuff, he says. Easy. Easy peasy. Alright, so our appointment's at 11:15, so we gotta leave here. Probably like 10. I don't know, probably, I guess. I re-looked at it so we can drive past the house, and then there's just, you know, a block. You know, yeah, exactly. We'll drive around the block real quick and then come back. Man, look at that new session low just to get the bears all excited. We wait for a bounce again before another short. I like it, sir. I like it. I know, I wish we could have gotten that 21 rejection, 383. That's what I was targeting for the long skis, and we fell short. I'm glad I kind of brought the stop up. Make sure it's not a double bottom. The 5-minute pivot point is at 372, so maybe we'll get just a random push up to the 370s, 380s, and then reject. Man, how fancy that iPad here. Yeah, that's awesome. Yeah, that's cool. There's that push, there's that little spike up for us. I mean, again, we've been stuck in this channel on the 5-minute. Look at this. We've been stuck in this channel for a long stinking time. We just ripped to the top, all of them just ripped all the way back to the bottom. So it could be that we're just going to slowly start grinding all the heck way back up to the top again. Yeah, good news is saying go long right now. I kind of think so, right? Let's see, we're down to the 300s though, as long as it doesn't cut through this. If it cuts through 288, then that might not look that great. We got our 1 hour candle coming in just a minute and a half here. 1 hour candles can get a little sketchy sometimes. Oh fuck, I didn't mean to stop out of it though. Hold on, what is our news though? What is our news at 10? We have something at 10, don't we? Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Oh shit, is today Thursday? Today is Thursday. Oh, today's garbage day. Too much stuff to do. Manufacturer and trade inventories, market index, pending home sales. So a little bit of news at 10. Just a little bit of news at 10.
patience learn to grow. Midday calm, but I stay awake.
Shoot, that
Even
sucks.
quiet tides got moves
Yeah, I
to
should
shake.
really do
One
that. Do we have
thing
garbage?
settled,
Yeah, we
that's
fucking
all
have
I
garbage
need.
bags in there.
Plant that trail like a steady seed. Wrist to reward like the push and pull. Can't rush the wave. Gotta wait till.
Alright, gang, I gotta do the garbage really quick. Hold on, it's 10 o'clock.
You didn't take care of something?
No, it's alright. Cause I'll do it. I'll do it with the mini bike and everything. It'll just take me a second, but I do appreciate it. But it's also I want to just have this candle close really quick anyway. See what the 10 o'clock candle brings.
Yeah, I can't do that for you, but that's right.
Could you imagine though? You sit down, all of a sudden I'm up like 1,000, you know, $1 billion. Got 10 seconds left.
Feel that pull, but I won't give in. I ride that way. Sink or swim. Oh, no safety line.
Tiniest little reaction down, and now she's pushing. Let's see if we can't be a part of that push then. Let's see if we can't be a part of that push. Hit that 400 target finally, maybe? We're right at that resistance point though.
Just discipline through it all. Sink or swim.
Nah, fuck it. Alright, I gotta do the garbage really quick. We'll be right back.
Yeah, man. Charge on the screen, sun on the water. Balancing life, balancing order. Ride the wave, both kinds. Wake up early, charts go blue. NASDAQ moving, yeah, I'm watching the queue. VWAP flying like a tide rolling. Patience in my mind, let the session begin. Coffee in hand by the lakeside dock. Price action ticking like a shoreline clock. Green candle rising, I don't chase, I wait. Discipline sharp, yeah, I regulate. Slow gains build, never rush the play. 1% better every day. From the screen to the sea, I align my mind. Freedom ain't luck, it's designed with time. I'm living that lake life, sun up to sundown. Trades going green while I'm cruising around. Wake surf waves and the good vibes flow. Got my dogs, my ducks, yeah, we all in the glow. Financial freedom, yeah, I'm feeling so right. Stars on the water every single night. From the charts to the shore, man, I love this view. Living life clean with my whole crew. Make so tiny, yeah, she barely make a sound. Jet run wild, yeah, he always running round. They on the dock while I'm making my calls. Profit hit quick, now we play till night falls. Ducks glide smooth, little ripple in the breeze. Two goats chilling, just doing what they please. Simple kind of life, but it feel like gold. Not about flash, it's the life I hold. Stack it up slow, let the pressure release. Mind stay calm, that's the realest piece. Every small win, yeah, it build that stack. Late waves forward, ain't no looking back. I'm living that lake life, sun up to sundown. Trades going green while I'm cruising around. Wake surf waves and the good vibes flow. Got my dogs, my ducks, yeah, we all in the glow. Financial freedom, yeah, I'm feeling so right. Stars on the water every single
Fire
night.
ants on the
From the
garbage
charts
can.
to the shore.
I didn't even realize it, and then you start chewing up my freaking hands. Damn, so we did, oh, fuck me. We actually did go all the way up to the 400s, didn't we, gang? Look at that. Beautiful push to the 400s. I just get a little nervous with new, I can't talk, news candles sometime. Oh.
Balance sheet in my soul, not just money. I'm whole.
Alright, gang, and unfortunately I got 2 more minutes and then I got to get going anyways because we got to get ready for this meeting. So let's see.
Same rhythm, same ride. Used to rush, now I move real slow. Trust my edge, let the profits grow. Loss don't shake me, it's part of the game. Learn one lesson, never trade the same. Sunset glow with the golden.
See if we can't go up to the 445s. That would be the 100 EMA, though we are kind of rejecting the 21 just a little bit here. We came up to the 21, rejecting it just a little. Trying to rush this trade a little bit. 30 seconds left, and we get a new 5-minute candle. Let's see if we can get just a little bit of a push here. 20 seconds left. Five seconds. Looking weak. Come on, give us the push.
Mark the highs and lows tonight. Watch it flow. Liquidity.
The 9's trying to cross over the 50, so that's looking real good. But we just needed a stinking push, and it's slowing down, so it's probably going to have a greater retest somewhere. But let's see if we can push right now. That would help. All right, gang, I gotta get going. We tried. We first trade was obviously a bad trade. We were down 200, 300 bucks on the first trade. Subsequent trades were okay. We're down $29. I can't even fucking talk. We're down $29 on the day. And I gotta get going. I love you guys to death. Sorry today was just so kind of quick, spastic. My mindset wasn't perfect, blah, 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 blah. We'll do better tomorrow, though tomorrow will also be a quick day. So we're gonna do better on Monday. But I love you guys to death. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. We will see you again tomorrow. Stay green.